try to be closer as much as we can. Venga viendo el plumaje en esta parte. Black sea urchins, so many. Muy bien. This is our last stop, so you can stand up. Don't worry, both sides of the boatways.
In Paracas. Oh, this looks nice. Skirt, skirt, skirt.
Okay.
We've got views.
We've got sea view.
We've got
view of the bar.
views.
There's a pool table.
Where?
No, that's, oh yeah, there is.
There's a
Cracking yo. What we got, yeah. What we got,
Wait,
yeah.
how do you say it? Candelabra.
Candelabra. Who's Candelabra?
I don't know. What was it called? Candelabra. Not the Galapagos.
Well, out here, Paracas. Okay, you can see some fishing boats. And over there, you can see the Atacama Desert. Look at it. That's pretty cool. That's it. That's actually pretty cool. That's one thing that's nice. This is a dusty town with nice views. Don't come here.
Don't come here.
Unless you just spend a few hours.
Yeah, a few hours. A few hours is enough to see.
You can come here for a few hours. You can just look at this. Just look at this. And then that's it.
Yeah.
And then go home. Look at this and then go home. Don't come back.
We need to
Whoa. Whoa, oh, oh. She scoots. I mean, he shoots. She scores. Oh. Hey.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
That was good. Ooh. Cheers.
Are you guys gonna be hungry for dinner time?
Yeah, maybe. Something.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a little
We out here. We out here.
Gonna stay high in the
drunks.
summer.
Good last day, and it was over.
Gonna stand
But it's over.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Didn't know what the word was.
Baby, please.
So the wing flavors are lemon, barbecue, and
I ceviche.
why am I here? Don't know why I'm here.
Whoa! Whoa!
Do that again.
Oh!
Wait, do that again. Do that again.
Magic only happens once, girl. Tell me, chicas, what we're looking at.
The most beautiful little cliff.
You can see it.